Hey everybody, welcome to Hodl and Shill. Today is day 61 of our Bitsgap follow along, so we're going to jump right in. Our Sunbot profit total is $3,941, and that is a total of 38.09% overall profit. Okay, going into we'll go starting by average daily. Let's do that today. So starting with our average daily by highest to lowest, we've got our Matic 3S at the top, and that's at an 11.91% change. This has made a bot profit of $93, which is equivalent to 27.88% total overall. It is averaging 1.64% a day for 17 days and 20 hours. Next, we've got our Luna 3S. Luna 3S has seen a 12.91% change. It is at $82 overall, and that is 22% change. And is doing 1.48% a day for the last 15 days and 21 hours. Then next, we've got our Matic Long. Our Matic Long is at $92 in profit, which is 20.09%, and it's doing 1.18% for 17 days and 20 hours. If you've been following along, our goal has been to get these bots to around 2% a day, or find some bots that we can get to around the 2% a day mark. These are obviously the closest ones that we have right now. And let's just keep going. Let's look at this one here, our Luna 3L. Our Luna 3L is at 83.64% profit overall. That's $365. And this is just under 1%, 0.95%. However, this has been running for 2 months and 27 days. So we are near the 3-month mark that this has been running. And it's at 83%. So very positive overall. And then next we have our Elon. Elon is one of our biggest winners. That is at 84.12%, $421 in profit, and it's just under 1%, 0.93% a day for 2 months and 29 days, so also just underneath that 3-month mark. Then Jasmine, our oldest one that we have running, is at 78% overall. The profit on this is $999, so just under $1,000. However, this is out of range because it dropped significantly. It still averages about 0.80% overall. However, it is not trading currently due to being out of range. But I'll show you guys the chart in and of itself so that you can see exactly where we started and where it's gone. So you can see we started way down here, and we rode this thing all the way up, came back down, rode it up and down here, and it's this is GridBot trading to the T. I mean, this has followed the chart perfectly. Then over here, when we get to this spike up, Binance lists it, so it runs all the way up here, and then it comes back down, sees another spike, and then here we have it start trailing down, where it has trailed down below our stop trailing, and so it is currently out of range. When it picks back up above this level here, it'll start trading again. Until then, it'll just sit there. And we're going to leave it until it just picks back up. I mean, with almost $1,000 in profit, pretty happy with that, and that's our best performer. And that's about, we'll just cover those for today. Our Floki and our Yushi, who are both on Gate.io, those are out of funds. Those have dipped down quite a bit. We'll look at this chart here just on Floki. Just to show you. So, I mean, it's done a great job trading here as well. However, here was our stop trailing down, and it dropped down below that, and it's out of funds. So, same thing. As soon as it gets back up here, it'll start trading again. And we're just going to wait and let those things sit, as currently the market is kind of running flat, sideways, or down, depending on the assets that you're looking at. But that's it. That's what we're going to cover today for day 61. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button. If you've been with us for these last 61 days, I hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope that you're following along. There is a link to a free trial. There's a link to the bots that I have running and all sorts of other information in the description below. And I hope that you find that useful and join us for tomorrow. See you then.